Hi guys. Big boy. Welcome back to Shibkai. He just found out who came up with the idea for the Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu's roots are unstructured, he said, and can be found in Kamado, where FTX's founder Sam Bankman-Fried SBF is, co-CEO of FTX. Ryan Salmi, Nima Jain, and Andrew Lee, founder of Kamado, among others, have been rounded up. Armstrong first showed me a deleted tweet in which he said he knew the person who created the Shiba Inu. In another removed tweet from Lee, the influencer also found evidence that the SHIB started in the Kamado range in the summer of 2020. In this video, we'll talk about what the Simpsons think the price of the Shiba Inu will be on April 1, 2023. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. Armstrong was also surprised to learn that Sarah Mushram started on the Kamado group on July 28, 2020. SBF talked about Sarum at Kamado to try and start the project. Sarum was one of the symbols of the SBF pump, which everyone knows. So BitBoy has what he thinks is evidence that the SHIB's founder must be from the circle above. But another YouTuber gave the influencer their latest clue. This YouTuber he knew told him that Nima Jain reached out to him after Shiba Inu came out. Jain is said to have asked the YouTuber to delete all videos related to the unit. BitBoy Crypto believes Jain is starting Shiba again because the consolidation is building the Layer 2 network of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium BitBoy Crypto also provided more evidence to support what it said. Shown, among other things, a script from the Karma Group. The Chajin participated in Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin's famous gray hair donation. In the screenshot, there is a person named Community Organizer as coincidentally shown. More screenshots from the Armadillo Group, which members are supposed to share, show that the Community Organizer Fund is important to the Shiba Inu and the SHIB deal is important to Buterin. This is the latest evidence from ARM showing that Nima Jain, also known as Community Fund Organizer Akira Yoshi, is the founder of Shiba Inu. Gene disagrees with Armstrong's Twitter thread. Hello guys. Jain writes that since a YouTube journalist decided to take stories from the internet and do it again, I'd do it again, too. He says he set up the consolidation fund, but hasn't taken over in a while. But he says he still helps the team and the site. He writes about Bit Theory. In 2021 there were articles that did not provide any study on me saying I started the big whale for a popular coin. Most of those are wrong, so they were taken down. Also, there have been rumors that I work or have worked with SBF recently that have not been substantiated. This is not true. I've only been in the same room twice with SBF, and the only time we've spoken was to say hello. We have no business or other connection. Now the people on the SHIB have to decide who they trust more. The SHIB's price was $1,090.20, up 4.9% from what it was 24 hours ago. The Shiba Inu price, like the price of other cryptocurrencies, has been following the larger market trends in the past few days. The strong negative trend made it difficult for the altcoin to recoup the losses incurred in the past month. But now that the winds have changed, the SHIB might be able to do just that. Shiba Inu price is up 3.61% from its weekly lows when it was selling at 1,090 cents to offset the drop seen 48 hours ago. Traders who have been patiently waiting for an opportunity to buy the altcoin can be lucky if SHIB manages to climb above the key resistance at $1,180.90 a month ago. The sustained downtrend was demonstrated by a parabolic stop and SAR reversal. The blue dots on the indicator above the candle were evidence of this. But with the passage of time, this downtrend may come to an end and the signal may move to show that an uptrend has occurred. This is because the average trend indicator or X shows that the negative signals are getting weaker. The fact that the indicator has fallen below the 25-point level indicates that the current trend is losing strength. So if the SHIB is in an uptrend, the next time the indicator comes above the lower bound, the price may go up again. But there are no guarantees that the price of the Shiba Inu will continue to rise. It will have to turn the key resistance level at $1,180.09 into a support floor. This would allow CHUB to return to $1,390.50, which would be a 27% gain if the prank coin broke through this level. It could also record a new high for this year so far, around $1,470.70. But the price of the Shiba Inu is not far from the monetary support. If the altcoin falls below this level, which is $960.60, it would prove the bullish theory wrong. Also, the joke coin is likely to drop to a low of around $760 USD 0.9 in December 2022. Abrashi is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency project that uses blockchain technology to change the way development and distribution take place. Abrashi gives developers a place to work together and build models in a secure, open, decentralized way. The platform is scalable so that different developers can work on the same project at the same time. The electronic domain audit has already been performed, which is clear evidence that the platform is open and secure. Avakai is so versatile and flexible that it works with both standard blockchains and cloud providers, so developers can easily add Abrashi to their existing operations without giving up their favorite tools or platforms. As already mentioned, Dr. _100x and Crypto Labs in a good way on YouTube and Twitter explain why you need Aavak in your portfolio to help fund the growth of the platform and build a strong community around it. Abrashi started an ICO, which stands for Coin Initial Offering. Investors can purchase tokens that can be used in various ways on the Abrashi website through an ICO. The price of the token is currently 105 cents and will go up in the next steps. As the early ICO continues to grow, investors in the project can get up to 9% additional returns. The cryptocurrency investor who bought the Shiba Inu in its early days says he really regrets selling the token so soon. A few weeks before the ship went up, the trader bought $2,000 worth of it in January 2021. At the time, SHIB was worth $77,290 0.5, but the investor had no idea that the token would quickly get rid of 6 zeros within 10 months only. By paying $2,000, the user could have had 25 trillion tokens in January 2021. When the price of the SHIB fell in the days after buying the tokens, the investor said he got worried and sold them all at a loss. Call it bad luck or bad choice. In the same year, the 25 trillion pieces would have been worth $1 billion. 10 months after he sold trillions of tokens, it came to 8,616 cents. In October 2021, it increased by 67 million%, which means that $2000 would have been $1 billion in October 2021, when the token reached an all-time high. The investor said what he thought of the TikTok video. A couple of my friends just texted me that their Shiba Inu is up 67 million% since January. In January 2021, I was scrolling through Twitter when I saw a suggestion to buy joke coins. The SHIB was one of them. I put $2,000 into it and then left him alone for 2 weeks. He also said it went down and I sold it at a loss. Now it turns out that if I hadn't sold it, it would be worth $1 billion. At the end of the film, the investor said, "Now, how do you live with that?" That's it for today. Remember to smash your thumbs, share our content, and subscribe to the channel to see what's new.